Hello friends, very good evening. This is a very quick information video based on the Supreme Court judgment that just came a couple of hours ago. This is a very important announcement for the July 21 examinations. Please do not waste time after watching the video discussing. It is just an information purpose. I have gone through the entire decision and I have given this in pointers for your quick information. I again repeat, please do not, I am seeing people on groups unnecessarily wasting time discussing this issue, what happened, what can happen. That's why I've given you a summary. Listen to it for 5-6 minutes and then implement whatever is the decision. That's it. So the decision is very simple. The question was whether the examination which is going to happen July 21 in the next few days, is it going to be postponed or not? The Supreme Court today has clearly told that it will definitely not pass any order postponing the same. So dear friends, examination is going to happen. So please snap out of all the guesswork and other discussions, unnecessary thing that you're having, and come out of it. Examination is going to happen. The second plea from the students was whether opt-out will be available for those who cannot attend the examination because of COVID-19. This one issue will be heard tomorrow, that is 30th June, and decision will be given by ICAI. I read the judgment and couple of things. The advocate for ICAI has told this, that we had given opt-out option to students who are down with COVID-19. ICAI says that the chief medical officer has to give that, the saying that the students cannot write and all those things. Whoever faces difficulty will be given another chance, is what the ICAI says. That the students had been given almost 7 years to appear for the old syllabus. This plea was predominantly by people who were from the old syllabus. They said, if we cannot write due to COVID-19, what to do? So ICAI has told that they have had 7 years to actually write and finish the exam. But yeah, at this point of time, we have to see what to do. Thankfully, the judges have supported, because they asked for RT-PCR tests, right? The institute had asked for RT-PCR tests. So judges have told that we are saying that you can take normal certificate as a valid certificate and not RT-PCR, because RT-PCR is not conclusive evidence. There are many false positives and false negatives. So instead of that, figure out a policy is what they have told. So this part will be heard tomorrow and decided whether the opt-out scheme is given. Even if it is given, to what extent, how, what, etc., it will be heard tomorrow. Third one, seeking an option to choose an alternative examination center. That was the third issue. So the court has told, if change happens at the last minute, that you have to opt out. When the opt-out scheme comes, you can do that, but otherwise you cannot keep jumping centers, and individual logistical arrangements have to be made by you. Of course, if you keep shifting centers, you cannot expect anybody else to understand. You need to do your own logistical arrangements. Transportation arrangements is what they say. What about the prayer to waive off that 1-year articleship requirement, mandatory 1-year articleship requirement? They said it is part of the course and it cannot be waived off. So there is no waiver on the articleship, etc. So you need to complete that. Retaliatory action by ICAI. This was one of the most important questions, saying that those who opted out or those who cannot attend, you please do not take any retaliatory action, is what they have pleaded the court as well as the ICAI. So what Supreme Court has told us, that court has asked them to file a formal application in this regard so that they can give strict instructions not to retaliate. So thankfully, this is in the support of the students. Next, one more question, important question was, should you take vaccination? Is mandatory vaccination necessary? Now this is a constitutional question, right? Will it violate any of the freedoms granted to us under the Indian Constitution, personal liberty? So here they have clearly told we cannot interfere in this vaccination policy. It's a constitutional question of law. We need to see that later. And it's being heard by another bench. We cannot create class after subclass after subclass. Good decision. ICAI had allowed students who missed exams to take only the pending papers. Last time around in the opt-out scheme, those who couldn't complete a few papers, they could have taken it in the next attempt. So here they say, what will it be available again now? So if they have clearly told, if the competent authority certifies so, competent authority, that will be ICAI only, then you can appear only in the remaining papers. So we are waiting for ICAI to come out with something in this regard. Another prayer was, can an extra attempt be given to candidates who are appearing for inter and final exam under old syllabus? This is the same prayer that I told in the second point. So this is awaited, and also ICAI hopefully should consider this. Now please, I beg you, do not sit and discuss all these things now. These are the quick pointers that were done in the, that were decided in the court today. On this note, kindly, start studying now, buddies, or rather continue studying, continue revising. Exams are going to happen. It is not going to be cancelled. Supreme Court has passed the judgment based on the question of law. So buck up and study. All the very best. Okay. So I have been sharing revision sessions and other things on my channel, Telegram channel, CAPJ Virtual. You can join that. You can watch my revision video also on YouTube channel for better clarity. All the best, guys. We are all here for you. Love you all. Please take care. Please do not waste time discussing on this. These are the pointers. There are no other pointers. I have gone through the entire Supreme Court judgment and just given this quick summary. Okay. This was a short video from my side. Take care. Bye. All the best.